Yamwakwa babed media yatuni din unu Opoku nsi twi yiso. I welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In the last lesson, we learned how to introduce ourselves by way of saying Ofrem Opoku me bennie. Ofrem Opoku me bennie. Ofrem Opoku me bennie. Good. Today we are continuing. What about my sibling? For my sibling, then I will say, Ofrem Opoku, I'm called Opoku. Minuanie. This is my sibling. Ofrem Opoku. Minuanie. So, Ofrem Opoku, Minuanie. I'm called Opoku. This is my sibling. Minuanie. Minuanie. Good. But at times you want to be specific and you want to say, this is my sister. Then you have to qualify the nia with ba. So you say, Ofrem Opoku, mi nuabaa nie. Ofrem Opoku, mi nuabaa nie. I'm called Opoku, this is my sister. What about my brother? Then I will say, Ofrem Opoku, mi nuabɛɛma nie. Mi nuabɛɛma nie. Bɛɛma means what? A man or a boy. Bɛɛma. So mi nuabɛɛma nie. That means this is my brother. Ɔbaa means what? A girl or a woman. Or female. So mi nuabaa. That means my sister. Normally after you have introduced yourself, then the host might say, pleased to meet you, or I'm pleased to meet you, isn't it? So in Twi, if you want to say, I'm pleased to meet you, then you say, Meni agye sɛ mahyia wo. Meni agye sɛ mahyia wo. So after I have said, Ofrem Opoku, me yere nie, then the host can say, Meni agye sɛ mahyia wo, Mr. Opoku. Meni agye sɛ mahyia wo, owura yere Opoku. That is what? Mrs. Opoku. Owura yere Opoku. Mrs. Opoku. If you want to say Mrs., then we say owura yere. Then you add the name owura yere Opoku. So meni agye sɛ mahyia wo. If he wants to refer to the two of us, then he will say meni agye sɛ mahyia mo. Meni agye sɛ mahyia mo. Mo means what? You. Plural you. But wo means what? You, singular. The person will say meni agye sɛ mahyia wo. That is if I am alone. But if I'm with someone, then he will say meni agye sɛ mahyia mo. But if the host is not just one person, but he too is with his wife, then he will speak on behalf of his family. In that sense, then he will say yen, that is we, or us. Yeni agye se yeshia mo. We are happy or we are pleased to meet you. Yeni agye se yeshia mo. Yeni agye se yeshia mo. Good. At times, the host might try to be a little bit what? Inquisitive. And then might ask if I came with my wife and probably he or she doesn't know my wife well. Then he will go on to say, Mewura, yeni agye sɛ yɛhyia wo. My wura means what? My lady. Mewura, my lady. Mewura, yeni agye sɛ yɛhyia wo. Wofiri. Where are you from? Where are you from? Wofiri. Wofiri. Where are you from? Wo, that is you. Free from. Where? So, where are you from? Wofiri. Wofiri. Where are you from? And then my wife might say, I'm from. In that sense, she will say, Mefiri, 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 Mefiri. Then she will add the particular town or village or city that she comes from. For instance, my wife comes from where? Takoradi. So she will say, Mefiri Takoradi, Mefiri Takoradi, Mefiri Takoradi. I'm from Takoradi. I'm from Takoradi. Or if I went there with a friend of mine and the person wants to know where my friend lives, then he will ask my friend, Wote he? Wote he? Wote he? Wo means what? You. Te, live. He, where? So it's like saying you live where? You live where? Wote he? Where do you live? Wote he? If I want to say where do you live, I can also say ehe na wote. Ehe na wote. That one precisely means where do you live? Ehe means what? Where. So in that sense, if we say ehe na wote, that means what? Where do you live? Where do you live? Well, as I always say, ketewese, ayesni dudu rura. And so, medibesi so I will end here. And this has been Learn Twi with Opoku. I'm glad you've been with me till this far. For more of such videos, then subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thanks for watching.